and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the September BOXYLUXE box from BOXYCHARM. So this is $25 every 3 months. Okay, so the subscription is $25 a month, American, and then every 3 months you have the option of getting BOXYLUXE, which is another $24.99. And it's supposed to be over $300 worth of value. So let's get inside, because this is my favorite time of year. Okay, so here's what our box looks like on the inside, and it's got a card that tells us everything that we're going to get, and the theme is glam vibes only. So let's see what's inside. It's my favorite box. Alright, first up we've got this, from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I don't have any Fenty Beauty. So this is a kilowatt foil freestyle highlighter. Hypermetallic finish, endless ways to glow. Oh, it's a highlighter. Oh, it's in the shade Penny For You Thoughts. Make the number 4. Perhaps might be a little too dark for me though. Okay, so that is what the packaging looks like. And then that's what the back looks like. And oh, that's very dark. That might be too dark for me. But we're just watching anyway. And I mean, it's got a really nice color. Might be good for bronzing. It's a little dark, but I'll make it work because it's pretty. That's item number 1. Okay, next up, another small box from Pharmacy. The Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. So a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. And I just destroyed the box. That is what the packaging looks like. It's cute. It's glass, which is always nice. So it says fragrance-free, so it definitely is. And so that is what the eye cream looks like. I love a good eye cream, so I'm excited to give this a try. Alright, next up, we've got whatever this is. So it's from Pure, the Complexion Authority. So it looks like this. I have no idea what this is. Okay, I'm going to open it and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's a set of brushes. A whole lot of brushes. How many brushes? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 brushes plus, so 12 brushes in total. That's a lot of brushes. And they're very soft. That is what one of the brushes looks like. Yeah, they're very soft, so that's nice. And they come in this nice travel case. So that is item number 3. Okay, next up. Oh, it's the weighted. Okay, so I thought I ordered this at some other point and I just didn't get it. But this is a weighted sleep mask. And I got this for my husband because he loves a weighted blanket. So I figured he might like this too. So that is what it looks like. I'd say it weighs 2 pounds, maybe. It's fully adjustable on the back. Looks like a fanny pack. So that is this item. Oh, it's from Gravity, I think is the brand. Yes. And it comes out so you can wash the outside. Perfect. Next item, we have a squeezy tube. So this is from Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kissed. I've had this hand cream before. I remember it was quite pleasant, so I won't open it right now, but I'm excited for that because you can always use a good hand cream. Alright, next up, we have got from Persona, we've got a lip gloss in the shade Honey. So this is infused with avocado oil and shea butter. I don't wear a lot of lip glosses. So that is what the packaging looks like. It might be a little bit too brown. Oh, it smells nice though. So it comes with a doe foot applicator, and then this is what the color looks like. Let's just put it on over top. It smells really nice. Like a baked good. So that is this item. Okay, it feels like we have 2 things left, I think, probably, maybe. So the next is from 111 Skin or 111 Skin. I never know how to say that. So this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. Oh, I love a good face mask. So there's 5 masks in here. And it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. Reinforces and protects skin barrier function, and rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. Well, that's good. I could use all of those things. Let's just see what one of the packages looks like. So it's in a nice rose gold foil pack. And I will definitely be trying this out tonight. I love a good sheet mask when you're watching TV in bed, all cozy. And now we'll go to our final item. Okay, our last item, yes, is from Eloise. It is the Queen. A queen lies in all of us. So it is a 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures. 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So let's see what this looks like, because this is my favorite thing to get. Oh my gosh, those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. I'm going to swatch them. So let's do this Majesty Purple, this Curtsy, Ranny, and Sovereign. And we'll swatch them on our wrist. Oh, that gold is really nice. So that is what those colors look like. I'm going to swatch them more in depth because, you know, that's my favorite thing to do. So this is our final item, and it's an eyeshadow palette, so I am very pleased with that. Okay, let's see what our pricing is. So the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream is $45. The Eyeshadow Palette from Eloise Beauty is $46. That's a lot. Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss, $16. The Fenty Beauty Highlighter, $36. $36. The Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask is $40. The Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece brush set from Pure, $49. These skin face masks, rose gold, wow, I'm just flabbergasted, sorry. These 5 rose gold brightening facial treatment masks, $135. Yep, never would pay that for myself. And then the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream is $36. So let's see what that actually totals up to. Okay, so I've done the calcs, and it is worth $403. So I'd say I got my money's worth. If we hadn't got the face masks, the box would be valued at still $268. So that's really, really good. Let me pick my favorites now. My favorites obviously going to be the eyeshadow palette first, and then the face masks, then the eye cream, and then the weighted mask. It's not for me, but I'm sure my husband will love it. And then these are tied. I have a lot of brushes, but you can't ever have too many brushes. And I like the lip gloss. I just don't wear a lot of lip gloss. But now that's a really good color for fall, so I'll top that on top of my lipstick. And yeah, I like this box. Had a lot of really good things, a lot of stuff I'll wear. I'm still not sure about this highlighter though. It's really dark, but sure, maybe like as a bronzer. I don't know. I'll play around with it. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. As always, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here. And there's more videos for you to watch here and here. And yes, as always, thank you so much for your support and have a great day.